Hey everyone! Want to keep your social media accounts safe from hackers? Today I'll show you how to set up two-factor authentication on your favorite platforms: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, and X. Let's dive in. Two-factor authentication 2FA or two-step verification 2SV adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. It requires not just your password but also a second form of verification, like a code sent to your phone or an authentication app. It gives you twice the protection, so even if hackers get your password, they can't access your accounts without the second factor. To start setting up 2FA, you'll need a mobile phone with an active number and an authentication app, like Microsoft Authenticator or Google Authenticator. Authentication apps generate time-based one-time passcodes for various platforms, including social media. In this video, I will be using Microsoft Authenticator. To use Microsoft Authenticator, open App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Microsoft Authenticator. Download the app. Once installed, open the app and you're ready to add your accounts. It's a simple and effective way to enhance your security. Let's set up 2FA for X. Open the app, select your profile photo at the top left corner. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Tap Security and Account Access. Tap Security. Tap Two-Factor Authentication. X allows three 2FA methods: text message for premium subscribers, authentication app, and security key. Select Authentication app. Enter your password if prompted. Click Get Started. Click Link App to connect your chosen Authenticator app to your X account. Follow the prompts on the screen. Enter the codes from the Authenticator app. Click Confirm. You can save the backup code to ensure you can access your account in case you cannot use your authentication app, text message, or security key. Click Done. Your tweets are now extra secure. For Instagram, open the app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner and select Account Center. Navigate to Password and Security and then select Two-Factor Authentication. If you have multiple Instagram profiles, select the profile you want to set up MFA for. Choose your preferred method: authentication app, SMS, or WhatsApp. I will be selecting SMS or WhatsApp. Click Next. Enter the confirmation code sent to your phone number. Click Next. Click Done. You have now set up your phone number as an MFA method. Next, we will set up Authentication app. To set up the Authentication app for Instagram, click Authentication app. You can copy the setup key on the screen and paste in the Authentication app or scan the QR code. Open Microsoft Authenticator app. Tap the plus icon to add a new account. Choose Other account, Google, Facebook, etc. Copy the setup key on the screen and paste in the Authentication app, or use your phone to scan the QR code from Instagram. Your Instagram account will appear in the app displaying a time-sensitive 6-digit code. Go back to Instagram and enter the 6-digit code from Microsoft Authenticator app. Tap Next. Tap Done to complete the setup. And just like that, your Instagram account is now more secure. For Facebook, open the app and tap your profile picture with 3 lines. Tap Settings. Tap See More in Account Center. Tap Two-Factor Authentication. If you have multiple profiles, select the profile you want to set up MFA for. Choose your preferred MFA method: authentication app, SMS, or WhatsApp. Select SMS or WhatsApp. Click Next. Enter confirmation code sent to your phone number. Click Next. Click Done. You have now set up your phone number as an MFA method. Next, we will set up Authentication app. To set up the Authentication app for Facebook, click Authentication app. You can copy the setup key on the screen and paste in the Authentication app or scan the QR code. Open Microsoft Authenticator app. Tap the plus icon to add a new account. Choose Other account, Google, Facebook, etc. Copy the setup key on the screen and paste in the Authentication app, or use your phone to scan the QR code from Facebook. Your Facebook account will appear in the app, displaying a time-sensitive 6-digit code. Go back to Facebook and enter the 6-digit code from the Microsoft Authenticator app. Tap Next. Tap Done to complete the setup. Easy, right? And now your Facebook account is way more secure. To secure your LinkedIn profile, open the app and tap your profile picture. Go to Sign in and Security. Under Sign in and Security, select Two-Step Verification. Click Setup and choose between Authentication app or SMS. I will be selecting SMS. Confirm your phone number is correct, if not update your phone number. Enter your LinkedIn password and click Send Code. You will receive a code via SMS. Enter the 6-digit code and click Verify. Now your career connections are protected. For TikTok, open the app and go to your profile. Tap the 3 lines for menu. Select Settings and Privacy. Under Settings, tap Security and Permissions, then select Two-Step Verification. Choose your preferred MFA method: Authenticator app, phone, text message, or email. You may want to update your phone number or email if needed. You can combine 2 methods for extra protection. Select Turn On. Now you have set up 2FA for your account. Once you've enabled 2FA, test the process by logging out and back in. You'll be asked for both your password and the second verification step, ensuring your account is secure from unauthorized access. And that's it, folks. Setting up 2FA only takes a few minutes, but it adds a strong layer of security to your accounts. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips.